Okay guys, here we're walking up to this path from the road we got off of to head towards the barn. As you can see, it's out here in like this big giant open field. We had to travel pretty far to get there. I think it was
You're alright?
I think it was close to like 2 miles that we walked to get to the barn. And this is just an abandoned barn, and
Look how tall the dill weeds are.
it was very beautiful scenery with the leaves falling. But this is the trail to get there, and we'll be coming up on the barn soon. Okay, YouTube, and you can see the barn as we're coming up on it now. This is located in HELLTOWN, Ohio. Okay, YouTube, so here is this little shed. It's on the back side of the barn. I'm not quite sure of what it was, but there's the back side of the barn. I'm walking back towards the barn now through this little path. So, this is a abandoned one. We arrived at. I'm going into the basement real quick. Show you around real quick. It's nothing crazy. Okay, YouTube, so as you can see, there's a bunch of graffiti everywhere. Some of it's cool, some of it is not. Here we are coming up the stairs, YouTube, into the top of the barn. It's very big and open. A lot of graffiti everywhere. There's 666 on the sign. Some of the graffiti is very cool. The ceilings were super, super high. It was very cool to see, very cool to check out. Okay, YouTube, and I'm walking up on this OHIO, Ohio tag. Shout out to Ohio. This barn is located in Ohio, HELLTOWN, Ohio, to be specific. It wouldn't be an abandoned place if you didn't see D-birds on the wall somewhere. I don't know if I can walk up there with this in my hand and holding all this stuff. Hold on. Oh. So, YouTube, this was a little loft part on top of the barn that you could get up in. It was kind of sketchy to get on top of, but we got up there, and this is a little loft and the view of it. This is the sketchy part right here. No hands. Did it with no hands. And you can walk out here. This is part of the basement that we just came to. And then leads the path back out. Not a big fan of people leaving trash. I don't mind the artwork, whatever you want to do, spray paint. But the leaving the litter is kind of messed up. Save the planet. You don't even gotta save the planet, just do your part. this is it. Thanks for joining. Here's another little room. Another room here that we missed. It's just off the side to the main entrance. And that's it. The stairs where we came up. That's all of it. Okay, YouTube. This is the road that we took to get to the barn. Also the road we took to walk back. There's the barn back there. And the road's about a mile long. That concludes our video and our adventure.